Hey, this is Dr. Doug, the Animal Cracker, and I'm just finishing up a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog. So Maverick is a 5-month-old French bulldog, and he happens to have a winning personality, if you can't tell. So we're gonna start at the head. With puppies, you have to be careful with pressure. So if you go too much pressure, they'll squirm away. And one of the most important things, especially with the puppy, and this is good for you guys to know, is if you work with him every day a little bit, he'll become desensitized to being touched. So that if he ever does have to go to a vet or have to get his toenails clipped, or if his anal glands need to be suppressed and squeezed out, he won't need to be tranquilized, he won't be traumatized, and he'll be able to relax into it. So eventually we want puppies to be able to let you touch their feet, and he's biting me a little bit, but that's okay. He's letting me touch, and we can do the face. And I'm gonna just follow him. Remember, he's a puppy, so it's gonna be hard for him to just chill out. And here's back to the head. So now I'm doing long strokes, and the fancy name for that is just called effleurage. Take a breath, and they can pick up on our stress levels, so we want to be relaxed too. So I'm going to take a breath in. And I'm going to start talking with a little bit softer voice. Another stroke is called petrissage. So petrissage is kneading, and it's squeezing and rolling. There, we like that. So squeezing and rolling. Oof. I just made that up. It doesn't even have a name. And I'm not putting a lot of pressure here. Notice his breathing. He's calming down a little bit. Okay, we're doing some rib moves. Coming up on the neck. Up the face. Okay, do little circles, a little fingertip action. What do you think of this? He might be too young for this, but we'll see. Sometimes it's too stimulating. So now I'm going to quiet him down. By joining this exclusive mailing list now, you're guaranteeing access to getting the course at its lowest price ever before we launch it to the public.